Well, she's back on camp. She had to work at Starbucks this morning. And I did not do anything spectacular this morning. I actually worked a little bit and then edited a video and then made lunch and hung out and waited until she got back. And now that she's back, we can go on an adventure. We're going on a walk. I'm gonna explore this campsite. So the TAG has been getting quite the reputation around our campsite because it is by far the smallest camper here. And it's so beautiful. And people keep driving by and pointing and talking about it. And one family actually came and asked for a tour, which of course we obliged. And they loved it. Except they have like...
They love the fake plants.
All the fake plants. But their camper is 36 feet. And ours is about 14. No way.
I think I can.
No way.
Yeah.
From here.
Yeah.
Right there, all the way over there.
I can.
What happens if you fall in?
I don't know. I'm actually kind of scared now. Okay. Don't laugh.
I'm gonna laugh if you fall in. Yeah, there are people watching.
No.
Oh God! Wow.
I did it.
All right, I gotta do it, I guess.
Okay. Got this, honey.
Oh. Wow.
We did it.
We're so athletic.
I saw you guys walking by, yeah. You drove by earlier and I was like, I gotta see what
Oh, nice.
Well, I wasn't expecting to even find the kitchen. And then he opened the house and I was like,
Yeah, isn't that sweet?
Well, we just got a tour of actually the massive sized camper that we talked about. So we gave a tour to them and then they said, hey, we'll give you guys a tour too.
They tracked us down. We were walking past.
They did. They saw us and they're like, hey, check out this camper. And it is a big camper. But guys, thanks for the tour. One nice thing, that family, they camp here. They've been here and had a permanent spot for the past 5 years. They told us there's some cool trails back this way, so that's what we're gonna go check out. Found the deer. Oh. All right, we've returned to home base. We've explored the campsite on foot. Now it's time to do it by air. It's dinner time, and we're gonna be using our propane stove for the very first time. We're gonna make some meatless tacos. Great. It's just gonna have the meatless stuff, a tortilla,
tortilla.
and we have some dairy-free cheese, but those are the only ingredients we have. Unless we want to throw on some nuts.
Or some fake plant.
Or some plastic. All right, I think first step, propane. We got it. We got it. Whoa. You turned it off? Why'd you turn it off?
Sorry, I thought I was turning it down. Let's do this one.
All right, we tested this one, it works. We're testing the second one. Wow, it's nice and easy now. Now I know what I'm doing. We're cooking, baby. We're starting a fire,
Hello.
and she is the fire whisperer.
That's called.
Yes, you're so good at starting fires. Hey, guess what?
Anne's here.
Anne's here. Nice. So Anne just had this hectic day of hiking in Dayton, which is 2 hours away, and still wanted to come camp with us even after that experience. So she's made it, and she's now consuming one of our interesting vegan burritos. Delicious.
It's first bite.
We spent too long sitting by the fire talking.
It's 12:58.
It's almost 1 a.m. It's time for bed. We're going to bed. We'll see you in the morning. Good night.
Good night.
Oh, good morning. We just woke up. It's our final day on the campsite, and it is nice out. The previous 2 days were a bit chilly, but I feel like today is perfect.
Yeah, that's great.
What a day. Anne slept in the Jeep. She's making coffee. I'm just standing here, enjoying the weather. Oh yeah, boys. Wow. Starbucks. Hey, are you a happy camper?
Yeah.
No, not until you have your coffee. And what do you think of the camper?
Oh, cute.
This is the first time that she actually gets to see it.
So awesome.
All right, we just packed up camp. Everything is good to go, except I need to pick this up. We need this for later. All right, now camp is all picked up. I locked it, we're good to go. All right, let's hit the road. Sorry, one more thing before we go. It was awesome staying at Pee Family Campgrounds. The owners were so friendly. Everyone there was just awesome to talk to and hang out with. People stopped by to check out our camper. We gave tours. We even got a tour of a camper. It was so much fun. Fantastic first weekend at our official first campsite outing in our tag. Thanks to everyone for being so cool. All right. Now, end scene.